Hey team, how you doing? It's been a while since I made a video. Been busy, work, helping people out, doing that kind of stuff. So I thought I would do some stuff today. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, Dale, are you a plumber? Like, what are you doing with all this PVC pipe? Well, I am going to make a Bunnings PVC intake pipe for my turbo, because although this girl is reinforced, it doesn't look too shabby, and I don't really like it. So I figure a solid one out of PVC, and I can just paint it black or something, is going to look pretty awesome. So I'm doing a lot of cutting and trimming and this, just to try and get it perfect. So far so good. Haven't really spent much time, so I think with what I bought I can piece it together. I'll probably spend about 40 bucks in just some 100mm elbows and all that kind of stuff, different degrees. I've seen these massive couplers actually with hose clamps and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to use those too. So I reckon they're a bit too wide for what I need, but I reckon I could cut them down and they're going to work a treat. So this is pretty much all Bunnings spec for the VL. If you see here, what I'm doing to keep my cuts straight is I'm using a hose clamp, and I'm just following the edge of the hose clamp, and it gives me a nice straight cut, or at least a nice decent line to follow. So yeah, let's get this shit sorted and get on the car and see what it looks like. So here's my rough piece that I've got at the moment. I can kind of squeeze it on and get it pretty close.
We're out of luck, they closed at 2.
Are they?
They closed at 2.
Oh, damn it.
Just, yeah, damn it.
Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. Do you know what I'm doing?
I don't know what you're doing, though.
This is my neighbour Jill.
Oh, hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
So I've been working on cars, Jill, and I've been putting it on YouTube, making videos about the stuff that I do on the Commodores.
Yes.
So my neighbour Jill just went to go get me a coffee, but the coffee shop is shut, so no coffee today.
No coffee today. Have to try again tomorrow.
Yeah.
The day after. Yeah.
So, but she's going to buy me some alcohol for putting together her scooter, her new scooter. So I better do that soon, so I've got something to drink. So.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Wow, what a handy little thing.
Yeah, it's called a GoPro.
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'll turn it off now so
Yeah,
we can talk
okay,
properly. Right, well, I got it clamped up. The couplers could be a little bit better, but it is rock solid. It's not even cemented in the middle, and I've still got clearance from a dizzy, and it's good. So I reckon if I give this bad boy a paint and slap it all together, I reckon she's pretty mint for a Bunnings job. Alright, so I gave it all clean, roughed it up a bit with some sandpaper. I found this plastic primer that I had laying around, so I might just give it a real light coat of this. And I had some leftover black wrinkle finish, so hopefully I got enough in there to do it. Yeah, we'll see. Well, that was funny. I was putting on this plastic and fiberglass primer, and I was like, where's the colour? But it's clear, so that's why there was no colour, because it's clear. So we'll let that cure, and I'll start giving it a coat of some dark paint. Well, I got a few coats on it, and I only had like sweet F all in the bottom of this can, so I'm pretty glad that I think I got enough coverage. So it takes 2 hours for it to start to get wrinkly, and then it's like 24 hours before you can really touch it. So I'll just let that do its thing overnight, and yeah, I'll put it all together and see what it looks like tomorrow, I guess. So I finished the intake, and it looks pretty sick. So matches my airbox Bunnings special. So I'm pretty happy about that, and it is rock solid. So other things I did, I put a heat blanket on. I did some heat wrap on the dump pipe. I also plumbed back my wastegate, and that was a nightmare. I didn't film any of it. I was just getting stuck into it and doing it. But I'm pretty happy with the results for now. In the future, once I start getting into TIG welding and stuff like that, I would like to remake it. But for now, it's functional and it works. So I'm pretty stoked. Also, Blueveil is sitting here at home. Plenty of work to do, got a lot to finish off. Pretty stoked about this rear louver I picked up. So I think it is going to be awesome, and it's going to suit the build. I can't wait to finish this car. It's going to be sick.